If you're having trouble opening the Discord application on your Android or iPhone device, here's how to fix it. First, close the Discord app completely if it's running in the background. And now check the Discord server status. You can open your Chrome application or any other web browser and search for Down Detector or websites like Down Detector and see if there is any system issue. If not, verify your internet connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is stable, strong, and reliable. If your Wi-Fi is not working, you can try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. And then try clearing the app cache. Tap and hold onto the Discord application, tap on the eye icon in the top to go to app info. Scroll down, tap on storage, then click on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. If you're on iPhone, go to General Management, go to Apps, search for Discord application, and upload the application. If this option does not work, go ahead and launch your Play Store or App Store according to your device. Then search for Discord application. And if you see an update button instead of open highlighted in blue color, go ahead and select update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. If this also does not work, you can try uninstalling the Discord application from your device and then reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you again in the next one.